Hello. My name is Kelsey, and I'm here to tell you about Washing Machine Buyer's Guide 2012. This washing machine buyer's guide will help you to make your own washing machine reviews, in order to buy the perfect machine for both you and your family. The benefits of front-loading washers. The benefits of top-loading washers. The benefits of high-efficiency washers. The average high-efficiency washer can save anywhere between 20% to 66% on your water bill compared to traditional washers. Buying a washer and dryer can be a difficult decision to make, considering that it is a handsome chunk of money and that you will want a machine that will last you for years to come.